Hey Flowers, we're going to turn this bag into this bag. Stay tuned to see how we do it. Hey you guys, so it's been a while since I've done a DIY on my channel, but I decided that I was going to start bringing it back for you guys. At least once a month there will be a DIY. So this is the bag that we're starting with. I don't know if you saw my thrifting haul, but this is one of the items that I got for $1.25. This is a vintage small bag, and I decided to completely rhinestone it. I mean, these are faux rhinestones, but they give off the vibe that they're sequins or whatever. So we're going to use some alcohol, some cotton balls, some E6000 glue, a pair of scissors, and then this is the DIY wedding rhinestone ribbon thing. Rhinestone ribbons, I believe that's what I typed in to get it. I'll actually link that down below so you can find it for yourself because I got a huge roll and I can do a bunch of projects. So what we're going to do is I'm starting off with the alcohol and I'm just going to clean the silver part of the bag. So the part of the bag that is not cloth, the part of the bag that is not blue. So guys, if you love to see DIYs, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit the bell for notifications, and anytime that I upload a video you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends. Let's keep talking about the DIY crafts, sis, because this bag is mad cute, period. Mad cute, period. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to cut a big piece of this ribbon just to have something to start working with. So here's the bag, and I'm just going to start measuring out how I wanted it. I wanted to see if I could do it that way, but I realized it was too short. So I decided to do it on the side and do it like a fold over method, kind of like a sandwich or an envelope. I don't really know, like a hero. I'm hungry. So I'm going in with the E6000 glue, and I'm just going to coat that whole side of this bag with the glue. So once I've got that completely covered, I'm going to try to line up that piece of the ribbon, the rhinestone ribbon, just to make sure that it lines up perfectly at the top and on the bottom so I have enough space to work with and do what I needed to do. And excuse my hand, I only did one of my hands and my nail, so one is not done. I only put the tips on. So don't look at my nail like, okay girl, where your other side of your nails? Just ignore that. Okay, so once I've done that part and I feel like it's secure, it does take a little bit to dry when you're using the E6000 glue. I decided to do the side pieces. Now you can cut directly into this this rhinestone ribbon, so you don't have to worry about it because it's on an angle. You don't have to worry about this not doing what you needed to do. Okay, so I'm just kind of squeezing that down so it stays. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do the top. So the top of it has a buckle. I don't know if you can see that underneath that part that looks kind of like a bridge. I'm just going to cut those two pieces right there because that little buckle is in the way, so it's not going to lay down flat. So I'm just going to cut that little two piece off so that it goes around the buckle seamlessly and it looks like it's coming directly from underneath that silver. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit more glue. I went and bought this E6000 glue and they didn't have the one with the like little nozzle. So I actually need to find a nozzle that'll fit it because I would prefer something more precision. Because it was just really difficult to put that big old thing, you know, where I need pause. Whoa, okay, anyway. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I did actually let each section dry for about 10 minutes before moving on. So just so that it wouldn't smudge and move and budge. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting out the pieces so that I can put the bottom. So the pieces that are, make the bag stand, as you can see the silver pieces, I'm just cutting those around. I didn't mind the big spaces of the blue because the bottom of the bag, no one will really see. So I didn't mind that per se, but if you want, you can go ahead and cut out some smaller pieces and just add those little rhinestone pieces around it so you don't see any of the blue. But I actually didn't mind that because I figured no one would see it. So the same way I use the E6000 glue, and I just put it on that section before I even cut it off. And now I went ahead and started to cut off that piece. And I'm just going to add the glue everywhere else where it's needed. Okay, so I'm just making sure that it opens without any issues. And it seems to. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing the other side. This is a really quick DIY, and I love it because this is something that I can definitely wear as a dress up, dress down. Well, not really dress up, but some cute jeans, a cute top, and some heels. Like, this is a perfect bag for that. I don't wear silver a lot, so I was glad to have this so that I can have my one little silver bag when I gotta get up and go and be cute. Because I don't wear silver, so I always end up having to go buy a bag. But this bag was $1.25 from the thrift store. This roll was $10, so you know. So I pretty much did that other side. Now I'm doing the bottom half of this other side of the bottom half of the bag, or the bottom end of the bag. So same thing. This is really repetitive, but I don't know about you guys. If you guys do DIY, for me, this is so soothing. Like, to be crafty. Okay, wow. Wow, just wow. Like, girl, what? Like, and you know how to speak English. Anyway, so you see me now just making sure that it's not overlapping for the other side of for the center of the bottom of the bag. I'm just kind of making sure that it's where I need it to sit. And be careful, because this glue, of course, this ribbon has like little holes, so the glue does get out of it, but the glue just rubs right off of your skin and just wash it off. It doesn't stick on your skin, not like crazy glue or anything like that. So I'm just making sure everything looks seamless. I want the bag to look like it's all together. I don't want it to look like I don't know, like patchy in any way. I want whatever part you really see to kind of look like it's all one fabric, like this bag. Like, I bought this bag like this. That is the goal. Okay, guys, so this is the final look of the bag. I actually love how it came out. I think it is gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear it. Y'all go and check me. I'm gonna definitely style this piece because this piece needs some styling, period. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing if you want to see more of me. Mwah.